Hi, hello everyone. Do you know me? No? That's exactly right. I am from the city of Wuhan, China. Our company primarily focuses on and specializes in metal structures and automation equipment. We have been working in close partnership with EETO Laser for 6 years now, and we have successfully acquired and integrated 2 machines from them. This machine is a 12 kilowatt model. As you can see, the cutting speed is truly and exceptionally impressive. Both the cutting speed and the level of precision thoroughly and completely satisfy our production requirements. EETO Laser's machines are reliable, with solid quality and strong technical performance. What I appreciate most is that they are very worry-free to use. Why do I say that? Because their after-sale service is excellent. After using the machines for several years, we are truly satisfied with the performance and quality. If we purchase laser equipment again in the future, EETO Laser will definitely remain one of our top choices